Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear all notifications on Instagram to start fresh with a clean notification center, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in to your account. The app should load your main feed automatically. Step 2. Tap on the heart icon at the bottom of the screen to access your activity and notification center. This will show all your recent likes, comments, follows, and other interactions. Step 3. Review your notifications by scrolling through the list. Instagram currently doesn't offer a Clear All button, so you'll need to address notifications individually or by category. Step 4. For like notifications, tap and hold on individual notifications. On some versions, you can swipe left to reveal delete options, or tap the 3 dots for more options. Step 5. For comment notifications, you can tap on them to view the comment in context, then return to the notification center. Read notifications typically appear less prominently. Step 6. To reduce future notification clutter, tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings, select Notifications, and customize which types of alerts you want to receive. Step 7. Turn off notifications for activities that create excessive clutter, such as likes from people you don't follow, suggested posts, or IGTV updates. Step 8. Consider enabling only essential notifications like direct messages, comments on your posts, and new followers to keep your notification center more manageable going forward. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.